Hi everybody, welcome to the math homepage. In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about which materials you might need to be successful with these lessons. So first of all, you obviously have a laptop or a desktop with internet capability because you're here watching this. So we're in one of the math lessons for next week. And let's just look at this page together. So we've talked before about, well, in a lesson on another page, how to use the text reader to read these aloud to you. Always something useful. We talked before about how when in doubt, just click. If nothing shows up, then
what can you do with an
if nothing shows up, then you've just clicked on something and you didn't hurt anything. But if it looks like there might be a link, go ahead and click on it. So it was a little lesson on number lines. We're going to solve a problem together here. This is what I want you to watch. So try it yourself. Count on to solve. Do you see this little icon? That is a printer. So hopefully you have a printer ready to use. When you see this, click on the printer. There's that little printer symbol up there. Print it out. You're going to need it. I'm going to go back to the page before. You would then take that worksheet, fill it out. It's not an assignment, so you will not have to send this one to me. This is just for your learning. It's still very, very important, and I want you to keep it so that if we have our one-on-one meeting and you are struggling with something, you can share your work with me. So what I'm suggesting you have is a binder. I'm having trouble finding my camera. Whoa, there we go. Labeled with the subject. So have one for math, language arts, science, and social studies. Have a little folder available inside of your binder to keep all of your worksheets. That would be great. Also handy to keep in your binder is your interactive notebook, which they talk about right here. Write them as an equation in your interactive notebook. It's just a notebook. Just a fancy way of saying that. So have a notebook that you've set aside just for your math work. Keep it in that binder. Keep it all together. Help keep you organized. So if you don't have any of the materials that I just talked about, don't feel like you have to run out to Staples just this minute or go online to Amazon and get them right away. You've got some time. These are just suggestions to stay organized. Good luck, and we're going to do this together.